Welcome back to our channel. Today we have a delicious and nutritious recipe for all our vegan and vegetarian viewers. In this video, we will be making a plant-based high-protein chickpea salad that is packed with flavor. This salad is not only great for your health, but it is also incredibly easy to make. So, let's get started and dive into this delicious and filling salad recipe that you can enjoy any time of the day. Step 1. First, gather all the ingredients you will need: chickpeas, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, red onion, and fresh parsley. Step 2. Drain and rinse the chickpeas to remove any excess salt or preservatives. Step 3. Chop the cherry tomatoes into halves and dice the cucumber and red onion into small pieces. Step 4. In a large mixing bowl, combine the chickpeas, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, red onion, and fresh parsley. Step 5. For the dressing, whisk together olive oil, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, salt, and pepper in a small bowl. Step 6. Pour the dressing over the salad and gently toss everything together until well coated. Step 7. Leave the salad in the fridge for at least 20 minutes to allow the flavors to meld together. Once chilled, serve the chickpea salad on a bed of fresh lettuce or as a side dish to your favorite main course. Thank you for watching our plant-based high-protein chickpea salad recipe. We hope you enjoyed it and give it a try. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious and healthy recipes. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, happy cooking!